Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about Amazon today and look at this chart to see if it's actually predicting a 20% drop in price just by looking at the chart, because we did see a massive swing lower in Amazon throughout the month of July going into the beginning of August. You guys can see during that time frame from July the 9th all the way to the beginning of August, the market in Amazon fell almost 25%. Okay, could we see that again? Yes, but certain things has to happen in order for us to see another 20% drop from where the market currently trades in Amazon, which is right here around 176.07. For us to see a 20% drop, it's going to take us down to this buy zone of $140. That means that these buyers at these buy zones that I got on the chart, this one, it will have to break. Then the buyers will have to let go of this area here and have to break. Then the buyers will have to leave this area. Then the sellers have to bring it down there. So it might take a while. We might not even get that low because we have a lot of buy zones that's in the way from where price currently is trading in Amazon to where a 20% drop can occur. Okay, I'm just showing it to you. I'm not saying that it's going to happen because we got a lot of buy zones in this way. Now, before I get into this price prediction, welcome everyone to the channel. This is what we do. We break down charts in a very simple way. We don't add any technical indicators on our chart. We simply look at price action and volume, price bars, to get ideas to what the majority of the market participants, to see what they're doing. So if you guys want to join me, follow me, hit the like button, share, and also subscribe for more content, because you're not going to get this anywhere else. You got everyone else talking about fundamental analysis. They got you listening to earnings calls, and then you figure out, okay, they beat estimates, but why is the market down 60%? Well, the chart probably more than likely gave you a heads up that there was going to be a fall in price before earnings, right? So let's go ahead and talk about Amazon real quick. So we got some things to clean up on our chart from our last video. First things first, you guys can see that we noticed that Amazon is trending bullish. Okay, it's trending bullish. Look at how many times the market in Amazon came and bounced off this trend. It did it back in 2023 in October, and it came back again in August and hit that trend line once again. Now, we do need to get rid of these two buy zones. Well, this one buy zone right here, because the buyers did not hold the market in Amazon there. They did though. Look at this. They did hold the buy zone right here around 155, 140. I mean, 155 to $154. They came through and held the price. Fantastic. That's what we like to see. Next thing though is Amazon also made all-time highs. So this sell zone right here is no longer applicable. We need to move it to the last high of the market, to where the last increase in selling occurred, which is around here. Okay. Now, there are other sell zones. Look at this. Right here, after earnings was reported, those sellers really came through and pushed down the value of the stock. So that's a sell zone. You can even see right here that this is a sell zone. Okay. So we're just marking the territory of where we suspect the buyers are and where we think the sellers are. That's it. Because those are going to be contentious areas that the battle is going to occur between the buyers and the sellers. All right. So I think this is a buy zone right here too. So we're going to mark that as a buy zone. Real simple. Now, let's talk about price action. Is the market bullish in Amazon? Yes, it is. Do you think we're going to continue to see the market in Amazon go higher? Could be, or we may just see the market do this. Just bounce in a range until it's ready to break out. Here it's on the 3. You guys can see here on the 3-day price bar that we got selling. Think about it. In a very short time frame, the market in Amazon went from a low of $151 to a high of, let me see what that is, $182. That's 20% run in a couple of trading days. 20%. Do you think the market would not begin to go down again? Look at that. Are you surprised that we're creating this downtrend into the market in Amazon? Okay. So this is what the market currently is doing in Amazon. We got this long-term trend, and we also see this short-term trend of downward prices. Which one you think is going to win out? Do you think it's going to be the buyers or the sellers? Let's look at Amazon on the weekly. So we have 8 hours and 36 minutes left on the weekly. It does look weak though. I got to keep it a buck. So we may, from out the gate, see the price in Amazon come lower. Test this buy zone right here. And then try to move up to higher levels. Okay, higher prices. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Amazon on the 3. Amazon on the 5. So how do you feel about the market right now as I just simply go through these time frames? Because to me, I'm feeling kind of iffy. I don't see that the market is massively bullish. I don't see that it's massively bearish neither. We might just continue to see this market trade within a range for, another year, year and a half, 2 years before Amazon continues to move up or break down. I'm just saying, just trying to set expectations. Okay. So we're kind of like stuck in the middle. Look at this. We're kind of stuck in the middle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play some strength in the market at Amazon, but it may not even be worth putting on a price prediction. Okay. So these are our targets right here. This first one, we're going to do at the high of this sell zone right here. $183, $182.50. That gives us what, 3.55% there. Then our second target is going to be up here around 188, 190, which is around 8% move up there. And that is it. We'll just see if the buyers will break that downtrend line that I had on the chart. Because if so, then this trend is definitely still intact. Okay. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and I'll see you all on the next one.